Teach Nepal, a true destination for self-learning. नयाँ तथा पुराना भिडियोहरू हेर्नको लागि टिच नेपाल च्यानललाई सब्स्क्राइब गर्न नभुल्नुहोला।
Hello and namaste to dear students, and all our valued viewers. You are once again welcome to Teach Nepal. I am Ramesh Adhikari. Today I am going to present you a new lesson of grade 11 compulsory English new course, that is the 1x play of latest part. And in this video, I'll deal with the 1x play of Sunny Morning. And very soon we are about to upload many videos for other lessons. Dear students, let me start today's lesson. I hope you will all watch the video till the end to get the complete understanding of the lesson. Before I begin, I'd like to request you all to subscribe our channel for other many new videos and updates. Please don't forget to press the notification bell icon to get notified about our new videos automatically. Now let's begin. Let's look at about the authors. These two are the authors who wrote this play, A Sunny Morning, Arise, Pointer Brothers. And there are two brothers there, as you see. Seraphin was born on 26 March 1871. His brother Joaquin on 20th January 1873 in Seville, Spain, in a wealthy family. They chose the theatrical career and became popular playwrights in Madrid from their very first stage piece, Galito, in 1889. They always wrote as a partnership together. Seraphin died during the Civil War on 12th April 1938, but Joaquin continued to write in both their names, and he died on 14th June 1944. This is about the author of the 1x play. Now let's discuss about the characters of the play. The main characters of the play are Don Gonzalo, is an old man of 70 years old about, and another character is Donna Laura. She is also an old woman of the similar age. And the next character is Petra, the maid of Donna Laura, and Janito is the servant of Don Gonzalo. These are the characters. Don Gonzalo and Donna Laura are the main characters, and this Petra and Janito, they are the silent characters. Let's discuss about the setting and the plot of the play. Setting is a sunny morning at a park in Madrid in Spain, and its exposition the play in the beginning. Donna Laura and Don Gonzalo, they are the two ex-lovers, and they meet each other in a park at their old age. In the climax, they both realize that they were young lovers but pretend not to know each other, and the resolution at the end, they depart promising to meet the next day. This is the setting and the plot of the story. Now let's look at the summary of the play. A Sunny Morning is 1x play composed by Cointreau Brothers, and is a romantic comedy, and it tells the story of two ex-lovers who meet each other in a park at their old age. The play begins in a sunny morning at a park in Madrid where Donna Laura, an old woman of about 70, is seen with her maid Petra feeding pigeons with breadcrumbs. Then Don Gonzalo, an old man of about the same age, enters the scene with his attendant. Sunny morning नाम जस्तै एउटा सन्नी मर्निङमै रमाइलो बिहानीमै एउटा चाहिँ पार्कबाट सुरु हुन्छ यो नाटक। कन्ट्रो ब्रदर्सले लेखेको एउटा रोमान्टिक प्ले हो यो, जुनमा चाहिँ दुईटा एक्स लभरहरू तिनीहरूको बुढेसकालमा एउटा पार्कमा चाहिँ भेट हुन्छ। तिनीहरूको दुईटै 70 इयर्स ओल्ड छन् लगभग, डना लौरा महिला र डन गन्जालो पुरुष र डोना लौराले चाहिँ परेवालाई रोटीका टुक्राहरू ब्रेड क्रम्सहरू चाहिँ दिइरहेको बेलामा त्यहाँ चाहिँ आफ्नो नोकरसँग आइपुग्छ. He seems quite irritated since the bench he usually uses is already occupied by 3 priests and he finds no vacant bench in the park. He comes near Laura and she gets angry as he scares the pigeons. However, he shares a bench. They have some disagreement but settle down soon. Gonzalo says that he is from Valencia and Laura says that she is from Marisela. And Gonzalo says that he knows a woman named Laura Laurent who lived there. Soon both realize that they were young lovers but pretend not to know each other. अब डन गन्जालो त्यहाँ उसलाई चाहिँ रिसाउँदै त्यहाँ आइपुग्छ किन भन्दा ऊ सधैँ बस्ने गरेको बेन्च अहिले 3टा पृष्ठहरूले त्यहाँ बसिरहेका छन् उनीहरूले छोडेनन् त्यो कारणले गर्दाखेरि र चाहिँ उसले त्यो परेवाहरू जुन लौराले चाहिँ खुवाइरहेको हुन्छ नि त्यो परेवाहरूलाई पनि उसले तर्साउँछ र अनि दुईजना बिचको चाहिँ विवाद हुन्छ त्यो पनि ऊ त्यहीँ बस्छ र चाहिँ उनीहरू कुरा गर्छन् एक आपसमा कुरा गर्छन् उसले चाहिँ त्यहाँ एउटा लौरा भ्यालेन्सियाबाट आएको भन्छ उसले पनि अब म्यारिसेलाबाट आएको भनेपछि उसले त्यहाँ नाम गरेको चाहिँ लौरा लरेन नाम गरेको एउटा महिलालाई म त्यहाँ चाहिँ बस्ने महिलालाई चिन्छु भन्छ उसले अनि दुईटैले एकअर्कालाई चाहिँ चिनेको रियलाइज गर्छन् पहिला तिनीहरू चाहिँ एकअर्का लभर भएको कुरा चाहिँ रियलाइज गर्छन् दुईटैले. Laura says that she knows the woman named Laura who was her friend during her young age. त्यसपछि आफ्नो साथी भएको कुरा बताउँछिन् उनले पनि त्यो जान्छिन् हैन. She also tells the tragic story of her love affair with a gallant young man, Gonzalo. उनीहरूको चाहिँ एउटा ट्रेजिक स्टोरीको कथा पनि भन्छ गन्जालोसँग हैन घोडामा चढेर आउने एउटा केटासँग. Then Gonzalo says that he is the cousin of the young man. त्यसै आफ्नो यो चाहिँ त्यो मान्छे उसको कजिन मान्छेको कजिन भएको कुरा उसले चाहिँ आफ्नो व्यक्त गर्छ. According to him, the young Gonzalo had to leave his palace as he was involved in a fight with a merchant and merchant the suitor of Laura. उसले पनि आफ्नो कथा बनाउँछ हैन अनि त्यसपछि त्यहाँबाट चाहिँ भाग्नु परेको हैन एउटा मर्चेन्टसँग झगडा परेपछि लौराको सुटरसँग. Then he joined the army and died in Africa. त्यसपछि ऊ अफ्रिकामा गएर हैन आर्मीमा भर्ती भएर आर्मीमा मरेको कुरा गर्छ. The old woman reveals that Laura committed suicide not finding her lover. त्यसपछि लौराले पनि त्यो महिलाले चाहिँ सुसाइड गरिन् भनेर त्यो महिलाले चाहिँ त्यो लौराले सुसाइड गरिन् भन्ने कुरा भन्छन्. Both no, they are lying but pretend to be unaware. दुईटैलाई थाहा छ एकअर्काले ढाँटिरहेछन् भनेर त्यही पनि ढाँटिरहेछन्. They promise to meet the next day and the play ends. ल फेरि भोलि भेट्ने भन्ने बाचा गर्दै यिनीहरू चाहिँ छुट्टिन्छन् र यो नाटक पनि सकिन्छ. Let's discuss about the analysis of the play. A Sunny Morning is a romantic comedy, one-act play composed by Serafina and Joaquin Alvarez Quintero. The play moves around two central characters, Don Gonzalo and Donna Laura. They were the passionate lovers in their youth. However, they were separated by fate. दुईटा चाहिँ passionate lover छुट्टिए आफ्नो भाग्यले गर्दाखेरि त्यो कुरा चाहिँ त्यो मुख्य पात्र तिनै हुन् यिनीहरू र अरू पात्रहरू पनि छन्. Other characters Petra, Laura's maid and Donato, Gonzalo's servant are just the timid characters of the play. As the title suggests, the play begins on a sunny autumn morning in a park in Madrid, Spain. Sunny morning depicts romance, so does the park. Parkले पनि एउटा रोमान्स जनाउँछ. The play is written in informal style with simple casual sentences are intended to layman audience. एउटा सामान्य दर्शकहरूले पनि बुझ्ने खालको चाहिँ सेन्टेन्सहरू हैन स्ट्रक्चरहरू छ यसमा. The main characters use the term senor and senora that shows respect in Spain. त्यसमा senor senora भन्ने चाहिँ जुन म्यारिड यङ म्यानलाई सेनोर भन्ने र चाहिँ म्यारिड वुमनलाई सेनोरा भन्ने गर्छन् स्पेनमा त्यो शब्द प्रयोग भएको छ. At the beginning, we see Donna Laura, a beautiful lady of about 70, feeding pigeons with breadcrumbs. Then Don Gonzalo, a gentleman of 70, enters the park and causes the priest for occupying the bench he used to sit on. He also disturbs the pigeon. Laura gets angry and Gonzalo gets irritated. The arguments between them are typical humor that entertains the audience. उनीहरू बिचको चाहिँ झगडाले पनि दर्शकहरूलाई चाहिँ मनोरञ्जन प्रदान गर्छ. Throughout the play, a side technique has been used in which a character expresses his intention to the audience, which is not known to the other character. A side technique प्रयोग गरिएको छ जुन चाहिँ दर्शकहरूलाई त्यो कुराहरू थाहा हुन्छ तर अरू पात्रलाई चाहिँ थाहा हुँदैन. For example, from the narration of the character, the audience understand that they were former lover. Similarly, both devise their past with the audience realize is fake through their conversation. उनीहरू कन्भर्सेसनको माध्यमबाट तिनीहरू पहिला लभर हुन् र उनीहरू झाँटिरहेछन् भन्ने खालको कुरा पनि थाहा. The play ends with a promise to meet the next day with a rhetorical question where the answer is not expected. And the play is simple. However, it keeps the audience engaged with happy mode. Happy mode simple way. It gives the message that all the things are not as real as you see. People are not ready to reveal the bitter truth that can ruin their image. Image बिगार्ने खालको कुराहरू सत्य भए पनि उनीहरूले शेयर गर्न चाहदैनन् भन्ने मेसेजले देखाउन खोजेको छ. Let's look at the question answers. Yeah. What makes Donna Laura think that Don Gonzalo is an ill-natured man? Why do neither Donna Laura nor Don Gonzalo reveal their true identity? Donna Laura लाई किन चाहिँ उ चाहिँ हैन ill-natured man जस्तो लाग्यो Don Gonzalo र तिनीहरू दुईटाले एकअर्काको आइडेन्टिटी किन लुकाए? He disturbs the pigeon and says he doesn't fear it. Laura asks him why he complains about the priest who occupied his seat, and Gonzalo speaks to her rudely and tells her not to take any liberty of addressing him. So Laura thinks that Gonzalo is an ill-natured man. Both of them do not reveal their true identities as it has been a long time and both of them are married. उसको व्यवहारले गर्दाखेरि उसलाई नेचर्ड म्यान जस्तो लाग्छ डोना लौरालाई. उनीहरू धेरै समय भइसकेको दुईटै चाहिँ म्यारिड भइसकेको कारणले गर्दा आफ्नो आइडेन्टिटी लुकाएको हुन्छ. At what point of time do you think Laura and Gonzalo begin to recognize each other? कति बेला उनीहरू एकअर्कालाई चिने जस्तो लाग्छ, चिन्न सुरु गरे जस्तो लाग्छ. Don Gonzalo mentions of his history of visiting America and he belongs to Valencia. Donna Laura tells about her place, Marisova. Then Gonzalo refers to the most beautiful woman he noticed here. He tries to recollect her name by calling Laura. At this point, Donna Laura comes to know about Don Gonzalo. When Don Gonzalo explains the story of his friend, he comes to know the real identity of Donna Laura. When does Donna Laura realize that Don Gonzalo was her former lover? Don Gonzalo mentions obviously visiting America and he belongs to Valencia. Donna Laura tells about her place, Marisol. Then Gonzalo refers to the most beautiful woman he noticed. He tries to recollect her name. At this point, Donna Laura comes to know about Don Gonzalo. Why do Donna Laura and Don Gonzalo spin fictitious stories about themselves? Both Donna Laura and Don Gonzalo do not want to reveal their true identity. उनीहरूले आफ्नो चाहिँ आइडेन्टिटी बताउन नचाहेको कारणले गर्दाखेरि कथाहरू बनाएर उनीहरूले भन्छन्. So both of them spin fictitious stories to hide their true identities. How do Donna Laura and Don Gonzalo feel about each other? एकअर्कालाई कस्तो फिल गर्छन् तिनीहरूले? Although both of them hide their true identities, they realize that they are former lovers. Now both of them realize that they were separated by circumstances. Then both tend to meet again and share more things about them without being known to each other. दुईटैले एकअर्काको कुराहरू परिस्थितिले छुट्याएको रहेछ भन्ने खालको कुराहरू बुझ्छन् र फेरि भेट्न चाहिरहेका हुन्छन्. दुईटैले एकअर्कालाई चाहिँ फेरि भेट्न उनीहरूले खोजिरहेका हुन्छन्. Okay, that's the end of one act of play. Thank you so much for watching the video. If you have any queries and confusions about today's lesson, please feel free to write a comment in the comment section below. Thank you. Thank you very much.